here in a second. Well, good morning. It's about just before 5 a.m. an early morning ride. I like doing that because I like avoiding people. And over the holidays, I would imagine there's still people, lots of people that are still on Christmas vacation, Christmas holidays. I'm thinking that, but I'm going to go down to my usual haunt, which is the Humber Valley Trail. I'm going to see if I can see some wildlife. I brought my night vision camera with me. See if I can get some footage of coyotes or deer. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's extremely windy. I know I've said that in a few of my videos where I said it's windy, and you really can't hear it. On my GoPro, I have a media mod, and it's exceptional at blocking out wind noise and catching my voice and anything else, within earshot, so to speak, around the bike. But yeah, it's windy today, and it's about 6 degrees, plus 6 degrees Celsius. So not cold, but with the wind, it makes it a little more challenging. But it's not cold at all, really. But yeah, I can't stress enough the wind. So I'm gonna get on my ride. It's about it's not that far today. Be about I don't know, at the most 2 kilometers one way, but we'll see. I got 2 fully charged batteries. I just put them in the bike. I didn't want them to get even remotely cold last night, because it wreaks havoc with the charge in the batteries. So yeah, so I'm starting off fresh. Bike feels good so far. But on my this video on my phone, so you're gonna without an external mic, so you're gonna hear the wind for sure. So anyhow, I'm gonna start my ride just a block from my house. You can see me very well, but I just stopped. I was I was filming my ride down here, but I had my camera in my chest rig, and I had the camera facing forward, back at me. So you got a bunch of audio. But anyhow, so I stopped down by between 2 waterfalls down in the Humber Valley, and I'm down in pitch darkness, as you can see. It's about 5 a.m. I've seen one lady walk by me already. Probably the same lady I seen last week, but much further up the trail. It sounded like her. I couldn't really hear her. I said good morning to her, and I couldn't really hear her voice, but it could have been the same woman. She had a flashlight like the last one last week, so I don't know what's going on with these people walking through here. But you know what? You gotta, it's dangerous for me to be down here too. There's no doubt about it. Like, this area is infested with coyotes, and if I see someone coming through here like hiking, I'm going to be very leery of that person. Let me tell you, because there's obviously I'm down here, and that's kind of strange too. A lot of people see me and they're like, "What the hell is this guy doing?" So it's a mutual apprehension when you see someone down here. But anyhow, so here I put I got an 1800 lumen light on my chest rig, and what I'll do, I got a 3000 tack light on me. So where I'm at, this is my 3000 lumen tack light. It's unbelievable. But I'm at a spot where I see a lot of coyote activity. So I'm going to set up my night camera. Man, it's a little too bright. It's right there. I'm going to set it up on a tripod that's not meant for that camera and the weight, but it should be okay for today's purposes. And yeah, hopefully I'll see something. Night vision. See how it goes. Something over there, that's for sure. Something's going on. Yeah, nothing so far. Yeah, so definitely I have to bring my my bigger tripod with me. This is just like a selfie stick tripod. It doesn't handle the wind well at all. I have two of them set up right now, one holding my phone and one holding my Equinox 2. I got my night vision camera positioned at a bit of a crossroads. It's on the path, bike path, and I'm hoping, because I have encountered coyotes. That's my bike at night. about the only thing half remotely interesting that I captured. So not capturing a whole lot of anything really down here. It is 18 minutes after 6 a.m. So I think sunset today is, yeah, that figures. Oh, someone dry right. I just missed something there. Yeah, I just missed something. It was fox or coyote. That's too bad. Yeah, well, I did see it, but I didn't really catch it on camera. I wasn't recording. Yeah, that's too bad. Not sure it was a fox or coyote. I think it was coyote, but yeah, because I know there's a lot of coyotes around here, so I don't know if the fox would be in his best interest, he or she's best interest, to hang around here. Here comes another bike. See the bike coming up here in a second. Yeah, that's something I don't run on my bike. I don't run one of those flashing lights at the back. I don't know if I should or I shouldn't. I guess people are maybe commuting to work. They come through here. It's got my night vision set up here. As you can see, it's windy, very windy. I just heard something over that way, but something was in distress, some animal, but I didn't capture anything, I don't think. Yeah, nothing so far. Yeah, so definitely I have to bring my my bigger tripod with me. This is just like a selfie stick tripod, and it doesn't handle the wind well at all. I have two of them set up right now, one holding my phone and one holding my Equinox 2. I got my night vision camera positioned at a bit of a crossroads. It's on the path, bike path, and I'm hoping, because I have encountered coyotes crossing the path right about that area a few times, and I was hoping to catch something, but the only thing I'm catching right now is a cold. So you can see the river is very high. Yeah, it's high. Said note, as you can see, it's raining pretty good. Flurries or whatever it is. All my lights on right now. Muddy. Muddy, muddy. Muddy, muddy. Oh, there's a rabbit. And we got a big branch down. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised to see some more branches down. It was windy. Oh yeah, the river's really high too. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got quite a bit of rain for sure. So last time I was down here last week, this was all covered in snow. I'm taking a long way back. I guess it's rain, but it feels like it's like freezing rain. Yeah, the bridge is pretty slick. Snow fence is up. Branch down there. It's quite marshy through here, lowland. But I'm going pretty good. To get back. You gotta be careful coming up here because it gets quite bumpy. of ice back there. I hit. Lucky I didn't go down. That was pretty careless of me. I wasn't expecting a big sheet of ice still. Yeah, it's raining pretty good now. Pretty bumpy through here too. It's past St. James Gardens. It's a nice park in the summer. Quite popular. I think I woke some geese up or a duck or something. Yeah. Just went through a deep puddle there, got my foot wet. You can see I'm not doing a whole lot of pedaling. I don't got it in the top gear. What we got going on here? The city guy. Place to hide. I would imagine all those vehicles have GPS on them though. Oh, hands are getting a little cold. It's cold out. Yeah, it's raining good, boy. It's raining good. Against me. I don't like that when I go up these hills. I never get a tailwind, always a headwind. That's going to be some tough sled going up this hill with this wind. Not so bad doing 25k up a hill. That's pretty good. About as good as it's gonna get with my fat ass. It's always a good workout coming up this hill, even with the motor. My hands are pretty cold for sure. Oh yeah, this is muddy as hell here. I'll just get on the new road they built for me. This new pathway through the hydro field coming up to Jane Street, very smooth. I like it. Glad to get home. I'm almost there. Put a big rock there. I don't want to hit that now, do I? Left about a half hour earlier from down at the park, but such is life. Strong headwind. Yeah, this person here, she's not too bright. I know who she is. She didn't even see me.